If you want to unlock the full potential of your home media setup, you are in the right place. Welcome back to TechVibes. Today I am showing you exactly how to install Kodi 21.2 on your Firestick or Android device. This is the most stable version out right now, and it works perfectly on everything from the standard Fire TV stick to the 4K Max. If you are using an Android phone or tablet, you can usually find this right in the Google Play Store. But for everyone using a Fire TV device, we need to take a few extra steps to get it running. Important downloader code and links have been mentioned in the description. First, we need to get the downloader app. Head over to the Find section on your home screen and search for Downloader. It is the orange icon you see in the results. Go ahead and download that and open it up. Before we can use it to install Kodi, we have to give the device permission to install apps from unknown sources. This is a common security step for any sideloaded app. Go into your device settings and select My Fire TV. If you do not see developer options listed there, do not worry. Just click on the About section and tap the Select button on your remote 7 times. You will see a message pop up saying you are now a developer. Now hit the back button once, and you will see developer options appearing in the menu. Click on that, then find where it says Install Unknown Apps, and turn the toggle to On for the Downloader app. Now open Downloader again. In the URL box, type in the code 28907 and hit Go. This will take you to a dedicated downloads page. I recommend pressing the menu button on your remote and adding this page to your favorites so you can find it easily later. Scroll down the list of categories until you find media players. Look for Kodi and select it. You want to choose the version specifically for Fire TV or Android. Once the file finishes downloading, click on Install. If you already have an older version of Kodi, this will simply update it to version 21.2 without losing your current add-ons. After the installation is complete, click Done and then select Delete to remove the installation file. This helps keep your device storage clean and fast. You can now find Kodi in your app's library. When you open it for the first time, make sure to click Allow when it asks for permission to access your media files. This ensures the app can actually play your content without any errors. Remember that Kodi is a clean slate when you first install it. It does not come with any movies or shows preloaded. You will need to add your own media or install add-ons to start streaming. Using this method is the fastest way to get a high-quality and stable media center running on your television today.